Welcome back here at 626. April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and during the pandemic, local watchdogs want to make sure that our most vulnerable citizens, foster children, are protected. 17's Taylor Schaub joins us this morning from Southwest Bakersfield with their message. Good morning, Taylor.
Good morning, Maddie. Like many government agencies, COVID-19 is changing the face of our social services, but that hasn't stopped CASA of Kern County from doing their duty. Amy Travis serves more than 3,000 foster children in Kern County, and she's frankly worried.
The isolation that and the mental health that declines through that is something that's just very concerning to me.
As the executive director of CASA, she would routinely check in on these kids in person, making sure their situations were satisfactory. But now with the coronavirus looming large over us all, those meetups have moved online.
You can try to mimic it through a phone call, but it's not the same.
That loss of touch with the outside world would be tough enough for children who've already dealt with traumatic upbringings. But Travis says the crisis could lead to an even bigger problem.
We know that the CDC identifies a number of factors that increase child abuse. Okay, social isolation, financial stress and inability, and family stress.
The state, she says, is already seeing an alarming decrease in reported cases. And with schools closed and virtually all children's activities shut down, she fears there's no one they can turn to.
That means that there's less people that are out there, like the teachers, like the professionals that would identify these behaviors of child abuse. They're not seeing these kids anymore, and so less people are able to make reports.
The potential effect? Life-altering.
I am very concerned about the fact that there will be more people in general that may think that there's no end to this and that their only relief is, something that's unreversible.
So during this period, Travis is asking neighbors and friends to be extra watchful and to report suspected abuse or neglect. Now, if you witness or suspect child abuse or a child confides in you, you can call CPS, the CPS hotline at 661-631-6011. In Southwest Bakersfield, Taylor Schaub, 17 News.
Yeah, Taylor, it's just so important that we think about those kids in that situation right now and do everything we can for them. It's just such a devastating side effect of this entire crisis.